guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming this super easy Valentine's Day makeup look. And it looks really hard, but it really isn't. I think I used probably like 2 eyeshadow shades in the crease. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video and show you how to create this super easy Valentine's Day makeup. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply some eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using Soft Ochre by MAC. My eyelids are a little stained because I did do this look yesterday and I didn't film it. So that's why there's some pink on there. So for this look, I used the Wanderlust eyeshadow palette by Profusion. So the first shade I'm using is called Go Girl, and I'm just using a Wet n Wild blending brush. And I'm going to pack this onto my crease. And I'm going to focus the majority of the color on the outer portion. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to work that into the inner corner. And I'm not really worried about blending this out just yet. I will do that later. And then you can continue doing that till you get the color as pigmented as you want. So now I'm going to go in with a face powder that's lighter than my skin tone, and then start to buff out the outer edge of this pink here. So I'm just kind of doing like a light sweep over that pink. So next I'm going to mix Retro and Enigma together. And then I'm going to go in with my pencil brush. This one's by e.l.f. This is the best pencil brush ever, by the way. It's the bomb. So I'm going to take this and place this into my crease. So I'm just following the natural bone structure. But because I have hooded eyes, I'm going to bring it up just a little bit more. Just a tiny bit, not too much. So then again, I'm going to focus on packing on the color to get it as vibrant as I want before blending it out. So now I'm going to go back into the shade Go Girl, and with that same pencil brush, I'm just going to go over the edge of the Retro and Enigma. So now I'm going back in with the shades Enigma and Retro, and then I'm just placing that on the outer corner and on the inner corner. Alright, so now to create the halo part of the eye, I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I'm using Prolongwear by MAC. And I'm going to place this in the center of the lid, and then just kind of bring it down. And I'm going to start to carve out the shape. So this is where I feel like it's really important to blend out the concealer, which would be like on the outer corners here. So there's nothing left on my brush anymore, and the way that I do it is I kind of just go over and tap on the edges very gently. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. All I did was I took some NYX glitter primer and I put that on top of where I put the concealer, and then on top of the glitter primer I went in with MAC Nice Energy eyeshadow. So I'm going to take more of the pink, which is the shade Go Girl, and I'm going to go right on top in between the Nice Energy and the purple shades. And I'm just going to pack it right on top. So I'm just going to go back in with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to place this on top of the green. And then the glitter that I used is by MAC. It's called Gold Hologram. I have mine in a little sample. Oop. I'm just going to take a little bit and then go right on top of the green. So that's pretty much it for the top portion of the eye. Like I said, this look is super easy to do. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes, and then I'm going to do my face makeup, and then I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I already finished off this eye. So let me go ahead and do this one for you guys. So I'm going to go back in with Go Girl and my same e.l.f. pencil brush. And then I'm just going to sweep this right along my lower lash line. And I'm going to start from the outer corner and bring it into the inner corner. So next I'm going to go back in with Retro and Enigma, and I'm taking the same MAC 231 brush. So I really want to bring this in as close as possible to my lower lashes. So next I'm going to take my Studio Chromagraphic pencil by MAC, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. And then lastly I'm going to be using some mascara. I'm going to be using Extended Play by MAC. And then now I'm just going to dust off the translucent powder. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using this one by Pixi. This is their Glow Cake in the shade Gilded Bare Glow. So I'm going to spray some of this Pixi Fixing Mist right on top of it. So there you guys have it, this super easy Valentine's Day makeup look. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else that you guys would like to see. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. And I will see you guys later.